Hey everyone, it's Brad with Neowin, and today we're going to take a look at Windows 10 build 10114. Up first, we'll take a look at the updated start menu. The hard links have been moved to the bottom, as Joby Fiore first showed off at build 2015, and in the top right to go into tablet mode or full screen start menu mode, that has been moved into the settings, and we'll take a look at that a little bit later. A couple people have asked if you can make the sections more than 4 live tiles wide, and in this build, no, you still cannot. Microsoft has fixed that, and as you can see, you can no longer drag tiles to the desktop to create shortcuts. In previous builds that did work, in this build it does not, and of course the start menu is still resizable. There are a couple updates in the settings menu as well. First thing you'll notice is that the device icon has been changed, and Microsoft removed the pen option in this menu as well. We're not sure if it's because this is running in a VM, we don't see it, but it's definitely not there. It could be that they moved it to a different section. I did a quick look and didn't find it anywhere else, but nevertheless it's no longer there. In the personalization menu, you can see the new start menu customization options, and you can also see where you can actually turn off the ad that many people are referring to, which is what Microsoft is calling recommended apps and content that will show up in the start menu, but you definitely can turn it off. And this is where you make the full screen mode as well. By toggling it on, you can see the full screen setup that has larger live tiles and also has the new hamburger menu. And there you go. That's what it looks like when you run the full screen mode now. And nestled behind the hamburger are all the apps that you know and love. Nothing too dramatic. Most of this was shown off at build. You can see the larger live tiles again, but the Xbox One has not been updated and is a little bit smaller. We'll go ahead and turn that back off. I don't really care for it in setup mode like this. And customizing the hard links here, you can see all of the different options that you have, which shows that the start menu is going to be pretty highly customizable, and that's where they'll show up when Microsoft enables this feature. They are turned off in this build. We would expect that those get updated in the next release. Inside the time and language, Microsoft has moved the speech option to this area. And inside ease of access, underneath other options, Microsoft used to have a couple options down here for the touch screen, but they have been removed, and I haven't quite figured out where they've gone. But if you're looking for those, they are no longer in the other options section. And we'll go back here and change a couple of the colors and show that it does work. In the last couple builds, sometimes changing the color would result in having to restart the Explorer to get it to properly go across the entire OS, but now it looks like it's working pretty well, and they fixed that bug. You can see the dark theme network area, and also if you look closely, you can see the gold or window trim here. It's locked to the gold color currently, and changing it doesn't seem to do much in the themes area. But that's about it so far. If you have any questions, let us know.